Yeah, but it ain't live.
Yeah. Yeah.
If somebody went to it,
Yeah.
they gotta know that you got.
That's what. Oh, you waving at me? Oh, get that chicken right there. Oh, what's up, y'all? Hey, how y'all doing? Huh? I ain't gonna put you on there, girl. Turn I won't be on, but I'm not gonna put her on. It's her son's birthday, you know. So how's everybody doing out there? Hey, hello, Tia. Tia. Oh, you don't want? Oh, wow. Okay, and look at the candle too. Deuce. Happy birthday, Santana, once again. And he's sleeping over there. We don't want to.
Look at him. Take a picture.
Oh, well, not right now. Well, we'll wait till the parade start.
The parade.
I mean, a party start. All right, so this is part one of it, you know. Oh wow, my church friend is watching.
You know what's so weird?
Mr. Johnson is watching right now. I'm very happy he is. Yeah. Well. Oh yeah. Well I said whatever I could say. All right. So anyway, y'all. Y'all know I made a show. You know what I'm trying to say. I forgot what I wanted to say. I want on Mr. Griffin is listening and watching. Well, he was watching. Well, Thaddeus, I should say. Yeah.
Dad, Freddie still on there?
Oh, he done cut off. Well, he done cut
You
off.
it together because you keep on studying.
Studying, stutter. I can't help it.
I'm telling you what you wasn't talking right.
All right, and
Anybody saw my phone?
oh, and look at the bags. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. All right, so
All right.
I don't know. We should go out.
Yes.
No, we're not gonna go outside yet. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say that I'm very happy that he turned into, but his birthday ain't until Tuesday. Terry, Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Tuesday the 3rd. You know what I'm saying? And yesterday, as y'all already know, on the 29th makes 4 years that my mom passed. You know? Yeah. So I showed Janai would come. No, you call my name? Oh, she says. Okay. All right. So anyway, we're gonna go on the porch right now. Okay. So you see, y'all, I'm just here for the party. We got it set up and stuff like that. And we got the table and Heineken. That don't say Heineken, you know. Okay. So as I was saying, y'all, I mean, I remember I said no alcohol allowed at the Dominoes 7 Studios, but I changed my mind and say I will allow the Heinekens and stuff, you know, and the Budweisers and the Millers, you know. But when I have a housewarming party, all the rules gonna change. Oh, hello. All right, so that rule gonna change, ladies and gentlemen. I guarantee it to the better end. Okay. So as I was saying, Santana's making 2, and I'm very happy that he's growing up. You know, well, like they say, you can't stop time. You can't change daylight saving time either. Okay. So it's gonna be a Paw Patrol party. It's a fine time for him to go to sleep. You know, it's a fine time for Santana to go to sleep. You know. I wonder if he'll be up all night. Who knows? Okay. So.
Yep.
Did you?
Oh, so somebody came out to check on things. I don't know if she want me to mention her name, but I ain't gonna.
Don't mention no names.
I'm not. Don't mention no names. And so some of y'all probably know who that is. All right. Oh, I ain't putting you on. I'm putting myself on. I'm just talking. So yeah, though. All right, so I already showed them the tent and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, so I already showed y'all the tent though. I'm talking to the camera just like Marcus the Magnificent used to do. But y'all already know I'm not Marcus the Magnificent. I don't even know if y'all ever heard of Marcus. I'm talking about people out of town, but the people at Detroit probably did. Probably did because he moved to Detroit. At the time, I wasn't born when he moved to Detroit, you know. And his assistant Chopsley, or something like that.
Yeah, because the other one don't even need it. Tasha, you got to open on your thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Give me here.
Well, I'll be right back, okay? All right, talk to y'all later.